It's finally here, the Tata Curve in its production form. Where we don't have the prices of the Tata Curve yet because that is to be announced on 2nd of September. But besides that, we have got all the information, the features, variants, engine specifications and all the design details. So let's get straight to it. So we'll start the USP of the Tata Curve, and that is its design. And as you can see here, the USP here is the coupe roofline, and adding to that are these massive 18-inch dual-tone alloy wheels and these flush-fitting door handles. You also get these chunky body cladding, and thankfully these are not plastic, but these are actually gloss black body cladding and they go well with this contrast red color. Now on to the front fascia of the Tata Curve, and it's good to see that the Tata Curve gets very much of its concept look with the production line. And we'll start with the front. The grille is gloss black with silver elements on it, and then you've got a splint headlamp setup. These are the LED projectors, and the top you get these connected DRLs. These also get a goodbye and welcome function along with it. Adding to the look are these silver skid plates. You also get a 360-degree camera with the curve. For that you have got a front parking camera here, and there are front sensors at the front. Now the rear profile of the Tata Curve is as enticing as the front one. Now this is the accessorized version, and that is why you get this bike rack, but you get connected tail lamps just like the front end. And along with that you get a raked windscreen with that two spoiler elements, a shark fin antenna and a gloss black roof. Now while there's still some time for the prices to be announced, we can tell you that the Curve petrol and diesel will be broadly available in 3 variants: Pure, Creative and Accomplished. And with these variants, it will be spread across 3 engine options and 2 gearbox options. And to tell you all the details, all the features that will be offered in each of these variants, wait for the next slide. Now with the Tata Curve, you will be able to choose from 3 engine options. The first one is a 1.2 litre direct injection turbo petrol engine, and this one puts out 123 bhp of power. Second engine is the diesel one, 1.5 litre cryojet diesel engine that puts out 118 bhp. The third one is the familiar one, which is the 1.2 litre Reverton engine that puts out 120 bhp of power. All these engines will be available with a 6-speed manual gearbox and a 7-speed dual clutch transmission. Now inside the cabin of the Tata Curve, first I want to show you the new key. This is the new key to the Tata Curve, and inside the cabin there is loads to talk about. Firstly, this is the new 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system, the digital instrument cluster that is 10.25-inch, a massive panoramic sunroof. You also get auto dimming IRVM, a touch-based aircon panel which is now common with all the Tata cars, a wireless charging pad, 3 drive modes, City, Economy, Sport. You also get electronic parking brake with auto hold function, and there's this 4-spoke steering wheel. And with this theme, which is the red one, is specific to this variant and it changes with every persona. Now we are here in the second row of the Tata Curve, and immediately you will notice this massive panoramic sunroof that extends all the way for the rear passengers as well. And here you will get AC vents, also 2 USB charging ports. One is Type A and second one is Type C. You also get this foldable armrest with cup holders, and if you notice closely, you get this thicker cushioning for better under thigh support. You also get 3-point seat belts for all the passengers, adjustable headrest, and this rear seat that can be reclined too. So that's all you need to know about the Tata Curve. For the prices, you will have to wait till the 2nd of September, and if you want to know about its EV version, the Curve EV, then the video is here. Also, its prime rival is the Citroën Basalt. For that too, here is the link to the walk around video.